In this video, we'll review the process for enabling passwordless authentication to Okta. In order to manage the FIDO interface on a Windows operating system, you must run the iShield Key Manager as an administrator. When prompted, insert your iShield key. You may perform a factory reset or optionally set a PIN to ensure compatibility across all platforms. Begin by logging into your Okta dashboard as you normally would, using your username and password credentials for an administrative user. Once your Okta dashboard loads, click the admin button to load the administrative portal. From the left-hand menu, expand the security section, then select Authenticators. Next, click the Add Authenticator button. From the Authenticators option screen, select FIDO to WebAuthn. User verification via the selected PIN is already enforced. Simply scroll down and click the Add button. Return to the Security section of the main menu and select Authentication Policies. To enable passwordless authentication to the Okta dashboard, select the Okta dashboard link and click Add Rule. Create a name for this rule, then select any constraints that you would like to enforce. Scroll down to User Must Authenticate With and select the option for Possession Factor. Under Possession Factor Constraints, select the option for Phishing Resistant. Scroll down and select an option defining how frequently the user must be prompted for authentication. Then click Save. Once the rule is created, it must be assigned an appropriate priority. In this example, we will set it as the default policy above the password login, so that the policy is always enforced. Sign out of Okta so that we may experience this new policy in effect. Now we're ready to log into Okta and register our Swissbit iShield key. When prompted to set up a security method, select the bottom option to set up a security key or biometric authenticator. On the next prompt, select Windows Hello or external security key. Follow the Windows security prompts by clicking OK. Then when prompted, provide your PIN and click OK. Finally, touch your security key to attest to your presence at the device. Enrollment is now complete. Simply click Continue to load your Okta dashboard. Now we will return to the administrative portal to enable passwordless authentication for a specific application. Return to Authentication Policies and click Add a Policy. Provide a name for your new policy and click Save. Then we'll create a new rule, as we did before, to enforce this policy. Click the Add Rule button, provide a rule name. Using the same settings, we will select User Must Authenticate with a possession factor. The additional constraint for a phishing-resistant authenticator can be selected, then click Save. Now to apply this policy to an application, click the Applications link, then click Add Application. Select the application for passwordless authentication and click Add. Click Done when finished. By enforcing a policy on an application rather than the entire Okta dashboard, you are able to tightly restrict how this policy is enforced in your environment. Reauthenticate to the Okta dashboard using your username and password. Launch the previously configured passwordless application. When prompted, select Windows Hello or external security key. Provide your PIN and click OK. As always, touch your security key to complete the process. Congratulations! You have successfully set up passwordless authentication to your Okta dashboard and/or to a specific application.